Hi students, welcome to my channel Divyas Maths. Today we will be discussing arithmetic progressions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Divyas Maths. So let's get into the topic. So first let us discuss arithmetic progressions. Let us see what is arithmetic progressions. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers, or you can say it is a sequence of numbers, okay, in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. So see here, so if you take an example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you take this example, these are list of numbers. So this is your first term. Okay, this is your first term. And this one is the second term. This one is the third term. This is the fourth term. And this is the fifth term. Okay, and so on. So if you see the sequence of numbers, this is the first term, right? This is the first term. And if you see the second term, it is 4, correct? If you are adding plus 2 to the first term, you are getting the second term, which is 4, right? And if you are adding plus 2 to the second term, you are getting the third term, which is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Right? And if you are adding plus 2 to the third term, you are getting the fourth term, which is 8. Right? So, in the same ways, if you add plus 2 to the fifth term, you will be getting the sixth term, which is 12. Okay? So, if you observe this list of numbers, if you see the sequence, the next number is obtained by adding of fixed numbers to the preceding terms, right? So except the first term. So this is the first term will be same. The first term will be as it is. You will be adding fixed number to the each term to get the next terms. Clear? If you take one more example, 5, 10, 15, 20, so on. Okay, this is a sequence of numbers, right? So what is the first term? This is the first term, right? And this one is the second term. This 15 is the third term and 20 is the fourth term. Okay. So if you see the first term, it is 5, right? So how do you get the next term? How do you get the second term? We will be adding plus 5 to the first term so that you will get the second term. Okay. And if you add plus 5 to the second term, you will get the third term. Correct? And if you add plus 5 to the third term, you will get the fourth term. So if you add plus 5 to the fourth term, you will get the next term, which is the fifth term, which is 25. Clear? So here the fixed number is constant, right? The fixed number is same. Clear? So this fixed number is called the common difference. Okay? It is denoted by D. D is your common difference. And the first term, this 5, the first term is denoted with A. Okay? A is your first term. So A1, A2, A3, so on to AN. This will be the list of AP. Okay? This is how the AP looks. Clear? A1 is the first term, A2 is the second term, and A3 is the third term, and AN is the nth term of the AP. Okay? So what is AP? AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. And that fixed number is the common difference. Okay? So common difference is denoted with D and the first term is denoted with A. Clear? So now let us see what is common difference. So if you take an example, 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Okay, this is your first term, right? You can say A or A1 and this is the second term, right? So how are you getting the second term? If you're adding plus 3 to the first term, you will be getting the second term, which is 6, right? And if you're adding plus 3 to 6, you are getting the third term, which is 9. And if you add plus 3 to 9, you are getting the fourth term, which is 12. Okay. So every term has a common difference, that is 3, right? So this 3 is known as the common difference. Okay. So see here, let us take the same example. 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Okay. So this is the first term, which is A1. This is the second term, which is A2. And this is the third term, which is A3. This is the fourth term, which is A4. Okay. So how do you get this common difference 3? See, if you are subtracting 6 and 3, 6 minus 3, you are getting the common difference 3, right? So, and if you are subtracting 9 and 6, which is A3 and A2, you are getting the common difference, right? And the same way, if you subtract 12 and 9, the common difference is 3. Okay, so when you are subtracting the next term with the previous term, you will get the common difference. Okay, so the common difference D is obtained as D is equals to A2 minus A1. It is equals to A3 minus A2 and so on to an minus 1. Clear? Clear till now? This A1 is your first term and this A1 is your first term, A2 is your second term, A3 is your third term and so on to if you have AN, right? AN is your nth term. Okay. So see here in this example, the common difference is 3, right? So it is the positive common difference. Okay. So the common difference can be positive, negative or 0. Clear? Now see here, if the common difference is positive, okay, if you get the common difference as positive, which is plus 3, how is the AP? How is AP? It is increasing, right? 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. The AP is increasing. Yes, if you take one more example, 1, -1, -3, -5 and so on. Is this an AP? How can you say this list of numbers is an AP? If the common difference is constant, we can say it is an AP. Okay. Now, let us find out the common difference. So, this is the first term, right? This is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. And this is the fourth term. Okay. A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay. If you want to find the common difference, D is equals to A2 minus A1, right? So what is A2? A2 is -1 minus A1 is 1, which is -2. Okay. The common difference is -2 here. And what is common difference for A3 and A2? It is A3 is -3, minus of minus A2 is 1. Here this is -3 plus 1 is -2. Here the common difference is 2. In the same way, the common difference for A3 and A4 is also -2. Okay. We can see that common difference is same. So it is an AP. And which kind of common difference is this? It is a negative common difference, right? If it is a negative common difference, the AP is decreasing AP. Okay, you can see it is a decreasing AP. Okay, now if the common difference is 0, how will the AP be? See, if you take this example, 2, 2, 2, 2, so on. This is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, right? So what is the common difference? A2 minus A1 is 0. A3 minus A2 is 0. A4 minus A3, which is 2 minus 2, is also 0. You can see the common difference is 0 here, right? The common difference is 0. If the common difference is 0, the AP is constant, okay? So if they have given you the list of numbers, how can you say it is an AP? If the common difference is constant, you can say it is an AP. Clear? Now we will see what is the general form of an AP. Let me take this example 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on, right? So if you take this example, this is an AP. So this is the first term, okay? This is the first term A. So how you are getting the next term? You are adding plus 3 to the first term, you are getting 6, right? And you are adding plus 3 to the second term, you are getting 9. And you are adding plus 3 to the third term, you are getting 12, right? The first term is A. So how are you getting the second term? You are adding common difference to the first term, you are getting the second term, right? So how do you get the third term? And you're adding common difference to the second term, you're getting the third term, right? So in the same way, you're adding common difference to the third term, you're getting the fourth term. Yes. So if we see this A plus D, and here how many D's we have? A plus 2D. Here we have 3D. So this is A plus 3D and so on. Okay, and the nth term will be A plus n minus 1 of D. Clear? Now let us see types of AP. We have finite AP and infinite AP. Okay, if we know the last term of an AP, it is said to be finite AP. If we do not know the last term of AP, it is said to be infinite AP. Okay. So these are the examples. So you can take one more example. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this is an example for finite AP. This is the first term and this is the last term. Okay, this is the last term. So how many terms this AP have? It has 5 terms. Okay. So in the same way, if you take one more example for infinite AP, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So this is your first term, which is 2, and we do not know the last term. So it is an infinite AP. Clear? Now let us see few examples and understand what is AP and what is common difference and how do we write an AP. And if we have first term and common difference, how do we write an AP? Okay, this is the first example 2, 4, 6, 8. So is this an AP? This is the first term, right? 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the first term is 2. This is the first term. And what is the common difference? Common difference is 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, the common difference is constant. So it is an AP. Clear? Now see here, and which type of AP it is? It is an increasing AP. Yes? If the common difference is positive, it is an increasing AP. Clear? So let us see the next one. 3, 3, 3, 3. So what is the common difference? Common difference is 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. The common difference is 0. Here the common difference is constant, right? So this is an AP. And which type of AP it is? It is a constant AP. Clear? Now let us see the next one. So let us see if this is an AP. if the common difference is constant, then it is said to be an AP. Okay. So 100 minus 50 is 50. 150 minus 100 is 50. 200 minus 150 is 50. So you can see the common difference is constant, right? So it is AP. Clear? Let us see the next one. Minus 1 minus 1.5 minus 2 minus 2.5. So is this an AP? Now what is the common difference? So see here, minus 1.5 minus of minus 1.0, which is minus 1.5 plus 1.0. Here you will get minus 0.5. Okay. So here the common difference is minus 0.5. And what about minus 2 and minus 1.5? Minus 2.0 minus of minus 1.5, which is minus 2.0 plus 1.5. Right? Here also the common difference is minus 0.5. And for the next one also you will get the common difference as minus 0.5. You can see the common difference is constant, which is minus 0.5. Right? So it is said to be an AP. And what kind of AP it is? It is a decreasing AP. You can see a decreasing AP here. Clear? Now see here, they have given A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 10. Now we need to find an AP. Okay. So how do you find a AP? When A is 10 and D is 10, how do you find AP? So this is the first term, right? This is the first term of the AP, which is A. So A, and how do you get the second term? When you add common difference to first term, you will get the second term. Right? So this is how you write the AP. Correct? Now see here, A is 10 and A is 10 and D is 10. Now what is the second term? When you are adding common difference to the first term, you will get the second term, which is 20. Here A is 10 plus 2 into 10 is 20. Then the third term is 30. In the same way, 10 plus 3 into 10 is 30. So which is 40. Okay. So this is the AP. 10, 20, 30, 40, so on. Clear? Now let us find the AP for the next example. If A is minus 7 and D is minus 2, what is AP here? A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. This is the general form, right? Now here A is minus 7, right? This is the first term. Okay, so how do you get the next term? When you add minus 2 to the first term, you will get the second term, right? Minus 7 and minus 2 is minus 9. Okay, this is minus 7 plus 2 into minus 2, which is minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. This is minus 7 plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, which is minus 7 and minus 6 is minus 13. And so on. Okay. So this is the AP, which is minus 7, minus 9, minus 11 and minus 13. So on. Okay. Now let us see the next one. A is minus 2 and D is 0. So how do you get the AP? The first term is minus 2. When you add 0 to the first term, you will get minus 2, right? And when you add 0 to the second term, you will get minus 2. Okay? So this is the AP. Now see the last example. How can you say this is an AP? So if the common difference is constant, we can say it is an AP, right? Now let us find the common difference. So which is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay. This is minus 2 by 2, which is minus 1. Here you are getting common difference as 1. Now let us see for the next one. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. It is minus 2 by 2. It is minus 1. Here also the common difference is minus 1. And for the next one also the common difference is 1. So, if the common difference is constant, it is said to be an AP. Clear? Let me give you the last example. Minus 2, 2, minus 2 and 2. Is this an AP? This is the sequence of numbers, right? So, we need to find if it is an AP or not. So, how do we find it? We need to see the common difference, right? So, what is the common difference you are getting here? 2 minus of minus is 2 plus 2, which is 4. Here the common difference is 4. And for this, what is the common difference? Minus 2 minus 2, which is minus 4, right? And what is the common difference for this? 2 minus of minus 2 is 2. Minus of minus 2 is 2 plus 2, right? Which is 4. So, you can see the common difference is not constant, right? Here you have 4, here you have minus 4 and here you have 4. So, it is not an AP, okay? If the common difference is not constant, it is not an AP. Clear? So, see here in this chapter, you will be coming across few terms. That is the first term, it is denoted with A, and common difference, it is denoted with D, and the nth term of an AP. Okay, we will be finding the nth term of an AP. It is denoted with AN, and some of the first terms of AP, it is denoted with SN. We will be seeing this as well. Okay. Now next we will find the nth term of an AP. Okay, it is denoted with AN. Okay, so AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. This is the formula to find nth term of an AP. Clear? Now see here, if you have an example 4, 10, 16, 22, so on. Okay, if you want to find the 10th term, how do we find the 10th term of an AP? So this is the sequence of numbers. Now what is the common difference here? 10 minus 4 is 6, 16 minus 10 is 6, and 22 minus 16 is also 6. Okay, so this is the common difference. So we have D is equals to 6, and 4 is the first term, which is A, and we need to find the 10th term, right? So let us take N is equals to 10. So how do you get it? A10 is equals to, this is the 10th term of an AP. So what is A here? A is 4 plus N is 10 minus 1 into D is common difference is 6. Okay, which is equals to 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 6 are 54. So, which is 54 plus 4 is 58. Okay, so the 10th term is 58. Clear? This is how we find the nth term of an AP. The next one is sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so this is the formula for the sum of n terms of an AP to find the total how many terms we have in an AP. Okay, so this is the formula to find sum of the n terms in an AP. Okay, so for example, if you have 2, 7, 12, and if you have 10 terms here, okay, 10 terms. So if you want to find the sum of this AP, you will be using this formula. Clear? Here the first term is A, which is A is equals to 2 here. And what is the common difference? It is 7 minus 2 is 5 and 12 minus 7 is also 5. Okay. The common difference is 5 here. So here it is up to 10 terms, right? So we can take N is equals to 10 here. If you substitute all these in this, you will get Sn is 10, right? S10 is equals to n is 10, 10 by 2. 2 into a is 2, right? 2 into 2 plus n is 10, 10 minus 1 of d is 5. Okay, which is 10 by 2 is 5. 5 of 2 into 2 is 4 plus this is 10 minus 1 is 9, right? 9 into 5 is 45. So you will get 5 into 45 plus 4 is 49, which is 49 into 5 is 245. Okay, so you will get S10 is equals to 245. Okay, so this is how you find the sum of n terms of an AP. Clear? Now let us see how to find the sum of AP when the last term is given. It is S is equals to n by 2 of first term and the last term. Okay, first term is denoted with A and the last term is denoted with L. So this is the final formula. S is equals to n by 2 of A plus L. Okay, so if you take an example, so here 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on plus 10. Okay, so this is to find the sum of an AP when the last term is given. This is the last term, right? The last term is given, which is 10, and the first term is also given, which is A. So here, do we know n value here? No, we do not know the n value, right? So first let us find the n value. So how do we find the n value? We have a formula to find the nth term, right? Which is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 of d. Okay, in this we know a and d. This is the nth term, right? This is the last term, so you can take an as L. So what is the nth term? That is last term, which is 10. 10 is equals to A is 34 plus n minus 1 of d. What is common difference? 32 minus 34 is minus 2. 30 minus 32 is minus 2. Right? The common difference is minus 2 here. So minus 2. So I'm just taking this 34 to LHS, which becomes 10 minus 34 is equals to n minus 1 of minus 2. Okay. So what is 10 minus 34, which is minus 24. Okay. I'm just taking this minus 2 to left hand side, which is n minus 1. Here this is 12. So n minus 1 is equals to 12. N is equals to 12 plus 1, which is n equals to 13. Okay, you will get n equals to 13. So we can substitute in this formula. So sum is equals to n is 13. 13 by 2 of first term is 34 plus last term is 10. So you will get 13 by 2 of 44, which is 2 ones, 2 22s. So 22 into 13 is sum is equals to 286. Okay, so this is how you find the sum of an AP when the last term is given. Clear? Now let us solve few examples. Here we need to find the 10th term of an AP. This is the AP he has given. Okay, this is the first term, which is A. And what is the difference here? 7 minus 2 is 5 and 12 minus 7 is also 5. Okay, so how do you find the nth term? That is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 of d, right? A 10th term is equals to a is 2 plus 10 minus 1 of common difference is 5. So which is 2 plus 9 5 is 45, which is 47. Okay, so 10th term is 47. Clear? Let us see few more problems. Now let us see the sum of first 22 terms. Okay, so this is the first term, which is a is equals to 8. We have a is equals to 8. And what is the common difference? 3 minus 8 is minus 5. And minus 2 and minus 3 is also minus 5. So the common difference is minus 5. Here he has given the 22 terms. Sum of 22 terms. So n is equals to 22. So what is sum of 22 terms formula? Which is Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. Okay. So Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. Now let us substitute a, d and n values here. S22 is equals to n is 22 by 2. 2 into a is 16 plus n is 22, right? 22 minus 1 is 21 into d is minus 5. Okay, so what do you get? This is 11. Okay, 11 into 16 plus, so minus 105. So you will get 11 into, so this is 16 minus 105 is minus 89. Okay, so 11 into minus 89 is 979. This is minus 979. So the sum of first 22 terms is nothing but minus 979. Clear? So the next one is find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. Okay. So what are the positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Right? So we need to find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. What is the formula to find sum of first positive integers? That is Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. Okay, here what is n? N is 1000 and this is a is equals to 1, and what is d? D is the common difference, which is 1. Okay, so S 1000 is equals to 1000 by 2 into 2 into 1 is 2 plus, what is n here? N is 1000 minus 1 into common difference is 1. Okay, which is, this is 500. So 500 2 plus, this is 999, right? So here you will get 500 into 999 plus 2 is 1001. Okay. So when you multiply, you will get sum of first 1000 terms is equals to this one. Clear? By this example, we will be completing the introduction to arithmetic progressions. In our coming videos, we will be solving all the exercise problems. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Divyas Maths. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.